Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, August 11. Time is around 5:30 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So we are still here in this area. Yesterday we had some movement, but we stay in this area here. So I'm still considering two scenarios which are equally valid in my opinion. So I do not prefer one scenario above another. So the first scenario, the bullish one in green, would mean that the wave 4 low is in here, that we have a wave 1 to the upside, that our wave 2 low is in here, or maybe we make one more low. Let's see. And from here we should move up, like we are in the area from where a wave 2 should end. Then the bearish scenario would be that the wave 4 low is not in yet, that we still have to make this wave 4 low, so here in red. And that would mean that we are doing an expanded flat structure, so that we here have our wave A in 3, 1, 2, 3, that we then here have something corrective as a wave B, and then now a wave C to the downside should follow, taking out this low here, and then here we should go down in 5, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this, taking out this low. But of course, for a wave 4, we should stay into this area here. This is the area where our wave 4 is expected to end. Okay, let's have a closer look in the 1 hour. Yeah, so yesterday the general idea for trading was, so we had this, the inflation rate data release. So the idea was to wait for an extreme area and put the orders there. Like that was the idea for all the indices, because we were somewhere in between. And yeah, unfortunately for the DAX and also for the Nasdaq, it did not work. We did not reach the extreme areas, as you can see here. But for the FTSE and the Dow Jones, it worked. So if you're interested in this, you can have a look at these videos. Excuse me. So these were here the extreme areas. Extreme in the sense that here the area in the red and would be the area in the bearish scenario where a wave 2 can go, and here this area in green I drew after we took out this high here, I believe. So yesterday, shortly after recording, we took out this high indeed, and then I updated my chart in the sense that yeah, so then I assumed that the wave 2 and the bullish scenario, that the wave 2 low was in here, so that we have an A, B, C, and that we now started our wave 3 to the upside. So then this, like the first part, should again be in 5 waves. And so then what I see here could be a wave 1, a wave 2, and yeah, like we do not have our wave 3 yet. Our wave 3 is too weak, so this makes me doubt that this bullish scenario will really play out, unless we get today or wave 3. But so the target area for our wave 3 would be, so we take the length of wave 1, the length of wave 2, then the target area for our wave 3 is here, the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. So then we should see something like this. If the bullish scenario plays out, we should see something like this. So I was also yesterday waiting for these areas, or my orders were here to do a short. But yeah, unfortunately, we did not reach this areas after the inflation data release, but it worked for the FTSE and the Dow Jones. So now in the bullish scenario, yeah, I would like to see more upside, like like this here, like depicted here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have wave 1. Then we can go down again as wave 2, and then wave 3. More upside, but yeah, or wave 3 is not in yet. Like this is too weak as a wave 3. So this came after the inflation data release, and like if you see this, then you know that this rally will fail, and that we will go down again. So now the question is, in the bullish scenario, will we see this wave 3 today? We really we really have to. If not, then I would give the bearish scenario a higher chance of playing out, and the bearish scenario would look like this, so that we have our wave 1 down here, and that we then here have an expanded flat as a wave 2. So our wave 2 could be in here, this high. So the reason that I think this is this weak RSI reading here, it looks like we don't want to go up anymore from here. And so if this is our 1, this is an expanded flat, and then this here is our 2, then we actually know the target area for our wave 3. So yesterday I already gave you a target area, but of course with this new high, this target area has changed now. So the next area from where we can expect upward pressure is from this area here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. Yeah. So we also start to break this RSI trend line here. So yeah, I would not be surprised to see this push down again here today. So let's see. Can we see something more in the 15 minutes? I think I covered not really something new here, so let's stick with 1 hour. So yeah, trading ideas for today. If the bearish scenario plays out, this is the area I'm looking for to buy again. Then so there, so here I would go long, or this is an interest area where we consider to go long, depending what we get here. And then a short. Yeah, the problem is, like, this is not really a strong high. So this is, if you want to go short from here, like, this is your true invalidation level. Like, this high does not mean much. We can easily take out this high, go into this area, and go down from here. So your actual invalidation level is here. And so yeah, the areas which still interest me are these, as shown here, be it as a wave 2, be it as a wave 3 here. So yeah, if we would go into this area, I would consider to go short again here. Then this is your invalidation level. So then risk reward, seems quite okay. But yeah, from here, like, it didn't change. I mean, we are still somewhere in between, and the problem with being somewhere in between is that your risk reward is not good. This is the true invalidation level for a long. Like, also, this low does not mean much. We can easily make one more low here, so that our wave C still has to come, something like this, and that we then shoot higher. So this is your true invalidation level. We are currently here. This does not seem so good, in my opinion, risk reward, and this is the true invalidation level for a short. So yeah, I think patience, and wait. So wait for one of these areas. It would be good if we could go into this area for a short. But yeah, if we have to wait for this area, this would mean that we miss all this downside here, which would be a pity. But yeah, I have to. I stick to my system, so I cannot enter somewhere here. I have to wait. Okay, so let's see what the market gives us today. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.